That was awesome with DS Diamond with the boat Epilogue. This is your after video to September 7, 2023. Let's go have a look at it. So you have an 1.25 inch shaft sink on there. One was on there previously. It just dusted off and fell off. You have some caulking where the keel meets into the hull. I'm not quite sure why that's there, but it's kind of just falling in and out of there. It's looking pretty old. Besides that, the bottom of the keel is pretty rough. Got inside your swing keel, rimmed all your through holes, all the good stuff. Once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing to do it.